Howdy. Ndio. State of emergency.
Majeneti.
Heri kari hoi. Na ingĩ. Nĩ maikangĩtie tũmĩaka. Na amwe magakũra. Arĩa moĩ ũhoro wa emergency. Yes.
The state of emergency.
Yes. I think it was declared by Sir Evelyn Baring. If I'm not very wrong.
The then governor of
the colonial protectorate of Kenya. Yes. Emergency. Twaroretia mwetake.
Sakaragita.
Mathurio mawane na mbuyo wanyuĩte miuma mũgwanja nĩwe wekire atĩa?
Tumire tulekererio.
Wata mũini wa rwĩmbo. State of emergency thukuru rĩ. Rĩmwe nĩ yandikirĩagwo. Nĩũndũ andũ arĩa mathoma during the corporal days. Yes.
Rĩrĩa kwarĩ war.
Hĩndĩ kwarĩ na kĩndũ gĩetagwo corporal punishment. I don't know why they gave it such a huge name.
Because it was huge.
It was huge. No, literally going to school was going to war. And it was one-sided war. Tondũ
ndũngĩcokia.
Na andũ arĩa othe manacokeria mwarimu ũgundi. Ũmũthĩ ũrĩa.
No, most of them left the system.
They left the system and many of them are functionally useless. Mundu wanahura mwarimu.
Mundu wana attempt.
Yes. Ati mundu watugutanirie mwarimu.
Wakirikagiria hau.
It would look very heroic then. But in the long run, andu acio macoka wekate. Gutaitheka.
Kana guthie wega.
Tũtungĩigua ati mundu ni agutha mwarimu Ngai.
No, even your parents could not believe.
It would be the talk of years.
Ati araguthire mwarimu.
Ona kwa ya reference yako. Ati wauga we wako.
Wa Kirubi.
Kuria kia guthire mwarimu. Nĩgĩtũire. Gĩkorwo Bungoma.
Ni athamire gũkũ.
Wathiana wa randi yake. Ũhũre mwarimu. You see, you'll be very fortunate ayage maya ũkũnyi.
Ũkũnyita tondũ nawe wagĩo maya.
Yes.
Nĩ ũkuga ba.
No, that was crossing
the red line.
Yes. Ati utugutania, you know some boys back then. No akora mundu ni athiete the entire 8 years ya primary. FI no ni arikitie.
Tondu ndari kirathi atacokerire. Kuma na thari.
Witojo yacokerithirio one. Mwakwana matiarĩ tha. Acokirio one maita mau.
Baru acio nao nĩ kũbadu. Mũndũ acokerithagio wa kũmĩkitire.
Yes.
Wewe unasukuma hurubaru.
Unaambia peleka shida yako
huko mbele. Matano rĩu nĩ kũbadu.
Yes. Rĩu hĩndĩ ĩrĩa kwarĩ corporal punishment nĩ acokete kĩripirwo. I don't know who was the minister. Was it Kalonzo or who?
Was it Kalonzo later years?
Or Kamotho? No, not Kamotho. I think it's later years. Hĩndĩ ĩrĩa kwa abolishirwo corporal punishment in schools. Na arĩa ma abolishirwo corporal punishment they are the nowadays Gen Z.
I think it is hey Mutula Kilonzo wari waziri wa gĩthomo.
Yes, that time.
I think it's around that time.
Ũtuĩka cyane itige weka atĩa?
Itige kũhũragwo.
Mbere yo rĩ nĩ twarihagwo.
Proper.
Na nĩkĩo mirini ũcio twĩragwo twĩguoya tondũ twekĩirwo guoya.
Yes, ati ni childhood traumas.
Yes, childhood traumas. Yes, we have them. Aterere. Aikone gweka kiundu. Na he hindi andu marugama na mundu umwe. Especially koro services ya kure cirikwayagwo. Either ni defendaga yangi. Weke kiundu. System umenye kwe mahitia meka atia?
Kwe mahitia mekikite.
Yes.
Or a crime has happened.
Yes. Mukabudak to na mukahurwo mahuri mundu
kivyake
and held ukorio. Yes. Udoni waja. Who is that? Who called the teacher through the window and called him a woo?
Were you in class?
No, please.
Where were you?
I was to the toilet.
So you are the one who called the teacher that?
Oh, no, please. I cannot. As I am saved. Me, in fact, we are Murere Vito is Christian.
If it is not you, who did it?
I heard the word gui, but when I turned, I did not see who. System wake out there are all means of interrogation,
including abduction.
and state capture.
And intimidation.
Makaga jira.
Gukaga makale mogoziro in.
Yes.
On the suspect.
Yes. Okorio kuja hapa kijana. Unalia nini wewe? There are those who would rather cry than acio kiria gituma mage kuga mundu ucio ri niguo yo ari percussions.
Umenye kini we wa mune andire. Umenye kule uregeraga. You
will have a very hard, you will always look behind your shoulder. Oreigua, yes you are okay.
Nani aliitana hiyo ubwa?
Mimi nilisikia tu kumesemwa ubwa. Nikafikia lazima ati kuna mtu ameubwa vizuri.
Ukanyuora wa bisho.
Yes. Mwazo kare kwaga njira. Ukaheana kindu gitwa state of emergency. Inyothe mugakomio thi. Stream ngima.
The whole class.
The classes that had the vicinity. Ukaudhiro nyamu itago metadata. Nika no ameonie future ile ya BBC. The two classrooms apart from each other. Not this sweater and this one on the other side. They match.
Irathi icio ithatu inyitanite.
Yes.
You are wound up.
Na hende yori. Gutiari ati na gender considerations.
Fana.
Inyothe mwahuragwo one part of the anatomy.
Called government meat.
Yes. It doesn't matter whether you are a girl
or boy.
They would attack the government facility.
Nyama ya serikali.
Ndakwira tondu wira ucio wako oi muritu ndwaheo mwarimu umwe.
Asa.
And they would choose a battalion of the meanest teachers.
The baddest of the bad.
The heartless of the ruthless.
Matore onaga thirikari yakija handu.
Yes.
Agorera huthira DCI ri.
Yes.
They look for the cream de la cream.
Yes.
Of the service.
Yes. Mukometio ha mwarimu oka hau mbere akauga. For the last time. Who called Mr. Gusu a dog?
Hindi omwarimu ena mite yau.
Mehua.
Witu yari mituramuthi. Uyu ni mwarimu na mituramuthi.
Mituramuthi ni wana ruo.
Ndwe wale ruo. Na ndo akagwo nginya cumbi.
Kwa mara ya mwiso mtu anataka kujiokoa. And at that point he mundu mwako omuriganithi hari ukomete. Ukona ni arenda.
Ni aratemti gukira.
Shut up.
Getau. Herie ukire.
Funda.
Herie ukire tukurage.
Mukaigua riu we shall now proceed with the corporal punishment. You know that is psychological warfare. You shall never forget this day.
Kona mwarimu aruta jaketi. Na kuja moko mashati.
Na akaregeria ki? Tha akaneana.
Ukamenya it's about.
And you see, different people react differently to pain and agony. Aria moka haria mbere ni iria riu. Iria na. Enda reke diwe kiatia. Yes.
No nie system mwatiro ndwe hana.
Okay, Ndio ucio thiau. Ukona riu utigetie andu atano. Ucio mbere yaku 5 people ahead ri. Ahurwo mboko kinyatha ikomboka rukungu.
No riu amaka wona riu mundu andore kana mundu ria mwe kirathi kianyu niwe kausha wa iboko.
Yes.
Aguthitwo akagamba wai.
Akauga wai. 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 Guy. Akaona ni nini? Umenigonga mahali paya.
Ya basa.
Tutakuua. Well, there are some girls and they could walk away with it. Maua, excuse me teacher.
I am sick.
Mungiamenya muthenya ucio wina kiriari. Ni warogotanagia ndawa mundu atanirie dosi.
Kuonania we hari mahututi.
Ukorania we ungiongererwo maumivu ri ni ukumatiga. Meo kuinera kwega kwe?
Kwega kwega.
Karugamio enda simama pale. Enda good class. Okay, ngeuga. I am also sick.
Wewe ni mgonjwa wapi?
Ni tumbo mwalimu. Tumbo lo umekula avocado ina nikikuona.
Tumbo huwezi kufa.
Huwezi kufa. Hatupigi tumbo. That was the epitome of biting the bullet. Yes. Mukamuhura
Ikue.
Yes. You know we had been old. Etaro mako manyithitio muma. Yes.
Gwari na mukamenya tungineana makamana niko gatuma turi thwiti kirathi gitu. Mwago wa thwiti no warenga.
And you know the deeper the investigation, there was gukija handu ati wecirie no wiricukwo. Tondu yo ni barenge. So you are in too deep.
Ukamenya sasa iende.
Yes. Riu wagia bahati we kuria muico. Mwarimu ni tagandire guoko.
Kana ndoga.
Yes. No ya mbere maguthagwo.
Waja mbere atano.
Hindio kirathi giku cukuru ikuria kiharo. Marero era riu mau ikirutururo mutitu.
They are watching your execution.
Yes. They are watching you on the hangman's noose. Oh, we are from the struggle. Millennium one as ikarete oguo. Childhood trauma icio muga twina cio. Ekondo ni waro raini.
Mukavangu oguo na mukero kila mtu.
Yes.
Lala chini.
Yes.
Na uangalie dunia.
It doesn't matter whether you are a girl or a boy. Aidetu maguthagwo ithatu. Yecho. Sita bora.
Ni maboi chao ndio tuirethire tini.
An endangered species.
Eva kenda na vote fo.